Hello and welcome. Believe me or not, but I just cracked my tooth eating a chocolate. Chocolate wasn't the standard one because it had some sort of sweets inside, and I just had a one bite and the tooth was gone. And I had to, of course, go to the dentist and remove it because it was unsolvable, just cracked, like somebody chopped it with an axe. And when I was waiting for my appointment at the dentist's office, they had a large poster about light therapy for their patients. So I was quite surprised that our dentist here also used light therapy. I actually had a chat with the receptionist about it, and they actually advertised the use of scepter lamp. I don't know if you heard about those. I think the company Bioptron was established in 1988, and since then they've been selling light therapy devices. I have one in Poland. My parents actually using it right now. But here in England, where I live right now, I have a lot of red light therapy equipment, which is also very useful for teeth, gums, and all sorts of recovery after your injury. If you don't believe me, I recommend you ask in a Google search or whatever search engine you are using, red light therapy for teeth and gums, and you will have information something like red light therapy is anti-inflammatory, it helps reduce the pain and also speed up the recovery process after you, for instance, had an extraction of the tooth. So, of course, I decided after I came back from home to do light therapy for this area when the tooth has been extracted. And I had a choice of different equipment. If I didn't have a panel like this, which I actually used and I'm still using it because I'm still recovering. I just had this tooth extracted yesterday. So I'm using this panel most of the time, but there is a cheaper option, of course, for somebody who is on a very tight budget. You can get a torch. One of them is red, so this one will be red. And you can put it in the area like this. But red is not going to go deep into your gums because it will probably bounce a lot of light from the skin. So you would have to use near-infrared torch, which you can also buy like from Amazon or eBay. I think this one I got it from eBay. And you just place it like this. Near-infrared light can penetrate deep into your body, so it should go deep, sometimes even 2 inches deep inside your muscles and joints or even bones. So my understanding is when I put it like this, it will still affect positively my tooth and my gum actually at this moment, which is sore. And I don't think it's a good idea to actually stick your torch inside with the in a mouth because I don't think it's easy to actually disinfect it, and especially when you have like a wound, sore wound, you don't want to get any infection over there. So I wouldn't put it in my mouth, but I would use it through the skin to do light therapy like this. But luckily I have this panel. This is Mito Pro Mobile, the latest handheld device from Mito. I would do it this way. Actually, I'm doing it this way, just turning the light on. For this particular area, I would use only near-infrared because I don't want to shine a lot of red light in my eyes. So I've got near-infrared 100%, and the setting is for 10 minutes. The timer is 10 minutes. And when I press, you probably will see the light is the slight pink glow of LEDs. That means the light is on. This is invisible light for our eyes. But if you turn this light in a dark room, you would probably see better, like a very faint pink glow of this LED. So this is near-infrared light, and it penetrates deep into our muscles, joints, and sometimes even bones. So I put it this way, that I plan to point one of LEDs directly on the tooth, I mean actually the empty space from the tooth, and I hold it like this. I close my eyes. If you want for extra protection, you can put the goggles on, which are provided with the light, so you could just for extra super protection, you could do like this. But I feel like I'm not really shining the light anywhere near my eyes, so I just hold the light like this, just close my eyes and just relax. I listen to some music or some podcast, and with this setting, let me just switch it off. With this setting, the light is shining on all this area, so not just on my tooth, but on all this area, which means it boosts the production of collagen. It supports the blood circulation in this area, and that two things supposed to help with speeding up the recovery process after injury, which in my case is just removal of my tooth that broke by eating the chocolate. So this is how I'm doing it, and of course I'm just doing this video for educational purposes only. This is not a medical advice. With all your health problems, always consult the relevant specialist, and your dentist should actually know the benefits of red light therapy and maybe even direct you to the best device for you. And if he or she doesn't direct you to a specific device, then you can try something like this. I feel like this panel, it's very versatile, and you can use it for doing many things, not only just light therapy for your tooth or gum, but of course you can use it for doing light therapy for skin. Like for instance, many people use it for anti-aging. Let me just demonstrate for you. I just need to change the settings. So at the moment I had it for near infrared for my tooth here, but if you want to use the light for your skin, for skin we are using red light. So we can just change the settings, and actually I can choose both red and near infrared, so I will have both lights, both wavelengths of light. Because I'm using red light and because I'm shining on my face and on my eyes, I always close my eyes and put the goggles on, because I just don't like the strong glow of the light. But as you see here, this is how it would look like if you do light therapy for skin on your face. Sometimes people call it anti-aging. But of course you can do light therapy on different other areas. So for instance, if you have achy joint, you can put the light over there. You can do in many areas. I like to use this panel because it's very small. I can take it with me wherever I go, and usually I have it next to my bed, and when I lie down I just put some podcasting on, or just listen to the video on YouTube, and do light therapy on the areas that I want to do lying down in bed. Sometimes I'm just too tired to stand in front of the large panel like this and do light therapy, especially when I'm just too tired, or maybe I'm achy after doing some gardening, and just I don't feel like standing in front of the light. It would be great if I had a light that I can put it horizontally above my bed or above my treatment couch, for instance, but in my current bedroom there's no way I can fit this equipment here. But if you have a large bedroom or a large area, then of course this is a great option, because you can lie down and chillax and do light therapy even when you are tired or when you are very achy. But this kind of panel is so versatile that you can use it for face, for skin, for muscles, for joints, and even for some problems with like sore area after you had a tooth extraction. So I just wanted to share with you my experiences about using red light therapy for my tooth and gum, actually sore gum at the moment because tooth is already gone. So if you're interested in using red light therapy panels for light therapy at home, you can check the affiliate links down below, and I can offer you a discount code so you can get this kind of equipment even cheaper. And remember that when you buy from a reputable company, like for instance Mito or Platinum LED, they offer you 16 days trial period, so you can test the equipment, see if it works for you or not, and if you're happy with it, just keep it and use it for many years of enjoyable red light therapy at home. And if it doesn't work for you, because nothing works for everyone, then you can return the light, get your money back, and go for something different that better suits your therapeutic needs. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumb up, I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who'd also benefit from watching it. Check out my website for more information about red light therapy, lights I use and recommend. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.